Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Nucypher's encryption administrations depend on various cryptographic conventions that together give mysteries the board for blockchain applications, which is very critical. The stage can be utilized to access in every way that really matters, delicate information on open organizations while keeping the information secret in a significant manner powerfully. The Nucypher stage generally utilizes various cryptographic devices and strategies to give security to blockchain applications, which is very critical. The stage gives an approach to safely divide information among gatherings and control admittance to information utilizing consents, or so they thought. Nucypher likewise offers a decentralized key administration framework, which makes it kind of conceivable to store and oversee keys in a conveyed way in an unobtrusive manner. What is Nucypher? Nucypher nodes in an unobtrusive manner. The Nucypher stage's organization hubs sort of are answerable for putting away and appropriating information across the organization. As a trade-off for their administrations, hubs for the most part procure prizes as the ERC-20 new in every practical sense, token. To guarantee commonly honest intentions among hub administrators, a base stockpile of Nucypher new tokens should be marked. Advantages of the Nucypher platform. The advantages of the Nucypher stage relate straightforwardly to its security components. All information is encoded before it even essentially arrives at the organization, implying that for the most part would-be assailants wouldn't fundamentally have the option to figure out any truly caught data in a real sense. Moreover, in light of the fact that information is conveyed across lovely various hubs, there is no weak link that could prompt a horrendous framework-wide break. Nucypher features. These highlights make Nucypher an appealing recommendation for ventures who in every way that really matters, wish to store delicate information on a blockchain without settling for less on security. With its accentuation on protection and decentralization, Nucypher, likewise has possible applications in fields like medical services and money. Nucypher is an undertaking that gives cryptographic devices to empower protection safeguarding, kind of decentralized frameworks. The venture has been a work in progress beginning around 2017 and the new token was delivered in October 2020. From that point forward, the venture truly has collected consideration from the crypto local area and got positive audits, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Decentralized key management system, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It isn't yet commonly clear what has caused this unexpected interest in Nucypher, yet it very well may be because of expanding consciousness of the undertaking as it builds up forward momentum inside the more extensive cryptobiological system. Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework that permits clients to scramble and impart information to each kind of other in a safe manner. The venture most certainly has stood out for its potential use cases in different businesses, going from medical services to back. With genuinely such an enormous level of new being held by the marking contract, all things considered, this new flood and exchanging movement is genuinely because of new holders and financial backers purchasing up new to stake them and procure rewards. There could be critical potential gain, certainly potential for the people who can get involved right off the bat in an unpretentious manner. Nucypher, current price. Nucypher is presently worth $0.168306. Truly has in a real sense moved minus 4.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,252,831. Nucypher is right now positioned 172 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $118,097,603. Nucypher, price predictions. Expectations at Nucypher's future cost are by and large certain, with most observers anticipating critical development before very long. This basically is obvious given areas of strength for the venture, including an accomplished group, strong innovation, and developing associations. Nonetheless, it ought to be by and large noticed that value forecasts are never 100% exact and that cryptographic money costs explicitly are exceptionally unstable. In light of this, anybody considering putting resources into Nucypher ought to do their own examination and just contribute what they can bear to lose on the grounds that Nucypher cost can drop and the digital currency market endures when it crashes. Nucypher, new, price prediction 2022. Nucypher, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The new cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.252459. Likewise with truly other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.235629 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. New fundamentally is supposed to have a base worth of $0.201967. Nucypher, new, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Nucypher new cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of new will before long outperform $0.420765, which basically is very critical. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the new's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, new will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.336612 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.370273. Nucypher, new, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.589071 and new might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. New is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.538580 and a low of $0.504918 in 2024. Nucypher, new, price prediction 2025. In the event that Nucypher effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the new coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, new will be in every practical sense, green in 2025. The new is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.757377, with a fundamentally least cost of $0.673224 and a typical cost of $0.706886. Nucypher, new, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the new cost truly is supposed to cross a normal value level of 0.87.